Two highly rated rewards credit cards. One huge decision for your wallet. Which one will rack up the most value for you? On the left, the Chase Freedom Flex. Versatile rewards with quarterly bonuses. And on the right, the Costco Anywhere Visa. Costco-centric cashback powerhouse. Let's skip the hype and see how these cards truly perform where it matters. Each category earns points. Stick around to see exactly which card comes out on top. And trust me, the final winner might just surprise you.
Oh, and here's something cool. Let me lay out the categories we're going to hit today. We're talking Costco purchases, gas and EV charging, dining in restaurants, travel, general rewards, sign-up bonus, annual fee, and flexibility and accessibility. Feeling pumped? I am. Let's dive in.
Costco purchases. Okay, first off, the Chase Freedom Flex. So if you wanted to use it for in-store purchases at Costco, sorry, it's a MasterCard. And Costco literally only takes Visa in-store. If you buy online, you can squeak out 1% with the Flex, and at least there's no annual fee, but honestly, it's not wowing anyone here. Now, Costco Anywhere Visa steps up with 2% back at Costco and on Costco.com. That's pretty awesome if you do your weekly hauls there. Cons, gotta have a paid Costco membership, and your rewards only get cashed out once a year as a certificate. Still, when it comes to Costco, the Visa wins this one hands down.
Let's talk gas and EV charging. The Chase Freedom Flex sometimes brings gas stations into its rotating 5% bonus categories, but only on select quarters and up to a cap. Any other time, you're probably just snagging that chill 1%. But Costco Anywhere Visa, this thing is wild with 5% at Costco gas stations, and still gives a whopping 4% at other gas or EV charging spots, up to $7,000 each year. Sure, it drops to 1% after you blow through $7,000, but honestly, that's still a killer deal for most drivers. This is obviously Costco Visa's turf. Dining and restaurants. Chase Freedom Flex, oh man, love this. It consistently drops 3% on dining, including delivery and takeout. And every so often, dining gets kicked up to 5% as a rotating bonus category. Super exciting if you're eating out a bunch. There's the catch though. Not every quarter focuses on dining. Meanwhile, with Costco Anywhere Visa, you get a solid 3% worldwide eating out, but no special extra bonus or mystery rounds. So if you're all about those surprise bonuses and some serious dining rewards, Flex is the move here. Oh, quick pause. You know what? Did you know Costco is literally one of the last big stores that only takes Visa cards for in-store purchases? Seriously. MasterCard, Amex, they're not invited. That's wild, right? Travel time. With Freedom Flex, here's the thing. If you book through Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal, you can score up to 5% back. If you book flight or hotel the regular way, just 1%. Not ideal unless you love the portal. The Costco Visa, however, offers a cool 3% on eligible travel purchases worldwide, all with a regular swipe. No extra hoops. A little less exciting for max points, but honestly more practical for most folks. So for travel, the Visa pulls ahead. General rewards. And oh boy, this is where Freedom Flex flexes hard. You've got 5% cash back in rotating categories every quarter on up to $1,500 spend. Plus, you can combine those points if you're rocking a premium Chase card. It's super versatile, and the no annual fee is always a sweetener. Costco Visa? Well, it kind of chills at 1% for random purchases and only goes up to 2% at Costco. No flashy rotating bonuses. If you want everyday freedom, pun intended, Chase definitely takes this one. Sign-up bonuses. This is almost laughable. Chase Freedom Flex drops $200 in your lap after spending just $500 in your first 3 months. Literally, free money for what? Groceries and coffee? The Costco Visa? Honestly, nothing. No sign-up magic. You just get the card and start shopping. So, easy winner here. Flex. Annual fee. Both cards have no annual fee, which is solid. Freedom Flex, no tricks, no fee, just the card. Costco Visa also says no annual fee, but, and this is important, only if you keep a paid Costco membership. That's at least $60 a year. So there's a little asterisk there, but still, if you're a member anyway, you're good. This one's basically a tie. Flexibility and accessibility. Freedom Flex, this is the card for living your life basically anywhere MasterCard's accepted. And if you have a Sapphire or Ink, you can combo those bonus points for bigger stuff. Only setback?
you can't use it inside Costco, which is kinda a buzzkill for loyalists. Costco Visa, though, is all about Costco. It gets you through the register in-store, and it's a classic Visa card. But outside the Costco universe, it's just not that versatile. So, freedom wins here, quite literally. So, if we put all these categories and scores on a chart, you'll see the Chase Freedom Flex is seriously strong in flexibility, general rewards, and sign-up bonus. Costco Anywhere Visa dominates for anyone who's obsessed with Costco and gas perks. Pretty clear where each one shines, huh? Okay, so wrapping it up, the Chase Freedom Flex is just awesome for folks who want rewards all over. Groceries, food, travel, whatever. It's fun, flexible, tons of bonuses. But if you're a hardcore Costco regular, dragging those huge paper towels home every week and gassing up at their pumps, Costco Anywhere Visa is basically your best friend. For most people, though, Flex wins for pure versatility. Did this breakdown actually help you choose your next card? Save this guide and, hey, come back for more updates because in 2025, these rewards are only getting more interesting.